Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials: your Swift card, a government photo ID, and the mobile number that's tied to your account. Once done, make sure Bluetooth and location are on and your phone has 20% battery minimum. Open the Swift app and sign in using the exact credentials from purchase. This verifies your identity. Tap Activate Now. This starts a secure handshake between card and app. You're initiating a bonded pairing that the system requires to proceed. Once you tap Activate, hold the Swift card against the phone as the app begins pairing. Keep the card steady until the progress ring finishes. When a one-time code appears or arrives by SMS, type it into the app immediately to confirm ownership. Next, review and confirm your personal details exactly as on your ID, then accept the user agreement. If prompted, set a secure 4 to 6-digit PIN now. This PIN enables offline transactions and is critical for full activation. After submission, you'll see an activation complete screen. The app may run a $1 authorization to verify the card on file. Make a small test purchase or hold the card to a contactless reader to confirm. If pairing fails, stop and toggle Bluetooth, force close the app, restart your phone, then retry, the most common fixes. If errors persist, use the activation ID shown in the app and contact Swift support. They can complete server-side steps or reissue an active.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.